Hello and welcome to W-ITC's Codebeamer for beginners. Today we'll see how to manage roles effectively within Codebeamer, ensuring that each team member has the appropriate permission for their tasks. Roles in Codebeamer are crucial for controlling access to various parts of your projects. Let's start by navigating to Admin Members panel. Here you can see the Roles section. Codebeamer allows you to create custom roles tailored to your project's needs. Let's go through how to create a new role. Click on the Add Role button. Here you need to provide a name for the role and optionally a description. Next, you'll set the permissions. Permissions can range from viewing certain trackers to editing project settings or even managing users. Once you've confirmed the permissions, save the role. It's now ready to be assigned to users. Here you can add or remove roles for the user. Assign the role we just created by selecting it from the list and saving changes. Today we've covered how to create, configure and assign roles in Codebeamer. Proper role management is essential for maintaining an efficient and secure workflow in your projects. If you have any questions, let us know and we'll see if we can cover them in the following videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.